Welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, we'll provide you with a full guide on how to disable direct message notifications in TikTok. If you're looking to minimize distractions and take control of your TikTok experience, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Open the TikTok app on your device. Step 2. Tap on the profile icon located in the bottom drawer. This will take you to your TikTok profile. Step 3. In the top right corner, you'll see 3 stacked lines. Tap on those lines to access the TikTok menu. Step 4. From the menu, select Settings and Privacy. Step 5. Within the Settings and Privacy section, tap on Notifications. Step 6. Look for the option labeled Direct Messages under the Messages category. Step 7. Disable the toggle switch next to Direct Messages to turn off the notifications. By following these steps, you can effectively disable direct message notifications in TikTok, allowing you to focus on your content and reduce interruptions. Disabling direct message notifications can be beneficial if you prefer to check your messages at your own convenience, rather than being constantly notified. Thank you for watching, and enjoy a more streamlined and focused TikTok experience.